everyone, today I'm going to show you how to paint a palm tree silhouette. We're going to start by wetting the page with our paintbrush. Then we'll add yellow and purple paint and blend it together. Once it dries, go back in and add more of the same colors. Then use your paintbrush to lift some of the paint for clouds. Using a dark gray, we'll paint the basic frame of a palm tree. Then add some leaves to the branches. And some circles for coconuts. Then I added a second palm tree, kind of slanted onto its side. I darkened the trees a bit. Then I added just a small amount of white paint to accent the clouds. Have a tropical silhouette scene made in watercolor. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.